In China, before plumbers receive their official certification, they have to pass a practical test. In this test, they must stop water flowing out of a hole in a tank. In just one attempt, they are required to use the oldest and cheapest method. They mix white cement or regular cement with a waterproof liquid to make a thick paste. First, they slightly widen the crack, then quickly press the thick mixture into it. This blocks the water leak immediately, but even though it looks easy, it is actually very difficult. The plumber has to apply the paste while water is flowing fast. Because of this strong pressure, many people fail the test.